Today we're at Parkrose High School. We did a Place It activity. This is an activity that allows them to use their hands to build models of streets, their ideal street, or a childhood street using found objects, so just random things you would find around your house. The point of this activity is to bring out common themes. So we want to hear from the youth what they want us as the Bureau of Transportation to do with streets. So since we are designing streets for the future, for this generation, this is a good way to have them express that through these models. There's no scale, there's no rules, so we really get just pure information, and it's super fun as well. So a lot of themes we got out of students were friends. A lot of them wanted to live near friends or wanted to have a sense of community. And they also wanted to be able to move around freely. So when we raised the question, what would the ideal street look like? A lot of them said no cars, big wide sidewalks. They took home a different way to think about transportation and how changing something in your transportation system can change your life.